So now we're going to do more with some CSS. We're going to talk about transitions in this video. Transitions and what are they and why would you use them? So when you think about transitions, you may think about, compared to animations, and maybe sometimes it'll seem similar. If you think about an animation, you can set up some movement or some change to take place on an element, and you can actually do an animation over and over again. You can iterate it many, many times infinitely if you want to. But when it comes to a transition, what you're really doing, think about it in terms of taking a particular background or a particular property and changing that property from one value to another over a period of time. So for instance, I'm going to actually draw your attention. This is our section 1, the square that has the background color of red. I'm going to draw your attention to this transition rule set here. What I'm simply doing is saying on this section 1, take the transition property, and I want to select some other properties. I want the background color to change to a particular color over a period of time, over a period of 2 seconds. I want that to change. And I want the padding, I want that also to change over a period of time, over a period of 2 seconds. So what do I want? How do I want that to happen? What do I want to do? So after I've set up what properties I want to change in a period of time, what I've done is said section 1 on hover. When you hover over it with a mouse, take the background color and change that to gold, and do that over a period of 2 seconds. And I take the padding that's at 20px and change it to 40px within the element, and do that also over a period of 2 seconds. So it allows you to kind of gradually ease in from one thing to another as fast or as quickly as you like to do that when you transition from one value to another. So that's how you set up a transition. One way to set it up, and I'll go back over here to our website, and let's go ahead and see what happens as I'll refresh it here. Let's go ahead and see what happens as I hover over our square 1. As you can see, it transitions, and I'll go away from it. As I hover over it, the red turns to gold, and the padding gets bigger inside the element. It changes to a 40px padding, and as I go away, it eases back to its original position. And that's what a transition is. It's a nice, easy kind of flow of movement within your website, and you can set that up easily a number of different ways in your code. And you can even apply things like transition timing function here, this property, and have it ease in or ease out and change the quickness of that transition from one property or value to another. But that's how you do it. And stick with us. We're going to do more and try some things with transformations and some other things with CSS in just a minute. Thank you for watching.